From inception, our quest to excel made us build cars that will last, surpass expectations, and change perceptions. Cars that will set us apart from the pack, without compromising style, luxury, and functionality. We challenged the status quo, weathered the storm, and succeeded where others dared and failed. You can call us visionaries as we evolve gradually to become Nigeria's most preferred auto brand. Introducing the all-new IVM G80, IVM G40, IVM 6540, and IVM Granite, fitted with features that make driving seamless. Once you push the start button, you'll feel the sheer power. Exhilarating performance, engineered to make every drive pleasurable, with aggressive new looks, tastefully finished interiors, cutting-edge components. You can effortlessly conquer every terrain. So walk into any of our showrooms and get a car that's proudly made in Nigeria. Drive with pride. IVM.